Vancouver afternoon. Look at it. Look at what we found. Interesting. Just look at that. We found 11 baby geese, a mom and a dad. So great. They're so cute. Oh man. They're so cute. Oh man. I just want to snuggle him. Look at them. Oh man. Look at that one over there. It's kind of dancing.
Don't make it so big, Mati. Don't make it so big.
Look at that one. And this one here. Oh, just look at all of them. How much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's just amazing seeing this one Vancouver morning. They're teaching them how to eat. Look at these two. Oh, that one's so nice. Oh, it's kind of funny seeing this on a Vancouver morning. You usually just see bikes, electric scooters all day.
Hannah,
But when you see 11 baby chicks and 2 geese, you just have to take a video. Look at them right there. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.